Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Raise to Listen feature on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen and then scroll down to data and storage. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you find the other section. And here you have the Raise to Listen feature that you can enable by tapping on this button next to it on the right side of the screen. Raise to Listen allows you to quickly listen and reply to incoming audio messages by raising the phone to your ear. If you want to disable it, just tap on the same button again and it will be turned off automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.